subcommittee named to oversee COVID-19 response, ground broken for $950 million climate resilience program, and
we will overcome the threat. And so there is no need for panic and savagery and baseless behavior.
You're watching Jamaica House Weekly. I'm Anthony Morgan. Last week saw Prime Minister Andrew Holness kicking Jamaica's National Disaster Risk Management Mechanism into high gear. On Thursday, he convened a meeting of the island's Disaster Council, where a subcommittee was named to deal with the day-to-day activities associated with the novel coronavirus COVID-19. Mr. Holness also informed that the state had a comprehensive plan to manage COVID-19 should it present itself on the island. Among them, contingencies in the budget for reallocation of funds to the Ministry of Health and Wellness.
The plan calls for the maintenance of not just plans or protocols for responses, but it calls for the maintenance of supplies and stocks and having systems in good order. And from my review, my general review so far, I am told that we would be certainly above what is the minimum requirement for our response.
While he encouraged citizens to practice proper hygiene to prevent the spread of viruses such as COVID-19, Mr. Holness made a special appeal to fisherfolk.
Please do not take back any contraband to Jamaica, including COVID-19. Just exercise greater caution and vigilance in public places. Be careful about the surfaces you touch. That is the personal responsibility and the personal vigilance that every citizen will have to protect our country.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness giving that charge to those present for last Tuesday's groundbreaking for a disaster resilience program. The $950 million Port Royal Street Coastal Revetment project aims to increase Kingston's management of natural disasters. Under the project, a 1-kilometer seawall will be constructed, drainage and roadway improved, a boardwalk built, and fishing beach created.
It is designed to withstand a major hurricane that would cause wave actions, that could cause flooding. So it is a strong piece of infrastructure that we expect to be here in excess of 100 years.
Back at Jamaica House Wednesday, Mr. Holness met with the management of the Housing Agency of Jamaica. He was updated on the agency's plans and programs to increase housing on the island for the upcoming 2020-2021 financial year. Wednesday also saw the Prime Minister meeting with a team from the Rural Water Supply Limited. During the meeting, the agency's projects to bring water to rural area schools and communities were discussed. And as he joined the rest of the world Sunday to observe International Women's Day, Mr. Holness reiterated his administration's commitment to gender equality. He said the government had been actively executing gender mainstreaming policies to foster creativity, innovation, and equality in society. Ahead of Sunday's observation, Mr. Holness paid a special tribute to female staff at the Office of the Prime Minister. And that's how we close out Jamaica House Weekly. Be sure to join us next time for more of the news stories coming out of the Office of the Prime Minister.